Well, after all that talk about monsoon starting soon, it is finally here. Today is the first day of monsoon, and it's been a long time since I've got the first rains. Usually, we come in August, so it's already monsoon season has already started, but this is the first one. Oh my! Yeah, it's literally a thunderstorm, and we are super excited. It's no one else looks excited. Yes, in UAE we get rains, and this time we had a pretty bad storm, but monsoons in Bombay is just different, you guys. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing really well. As you can hear, we're outside right now. The horns are just crazy. There's no silent path in Bombay unless it's at night time, very late. So please don't mind that. So currently we are in Bandra and we've come to the store. It's a Faluda shop, and my mother used to come here as a child, like when she was in grade 1 or 2, right? So we've come here. It's not like we have not visited this before, but I don't remember it at all. So now we're making memories here. And you guys, it is still so hot. We had rains the past 2-3 days. Like monsoon has started, but it's gotten hotter, it feels like. So I don't know now. Hopefully it gets cooler, and we're going to do a little bit of shopping maybe. We don't know the plans yet. I'm literally sweating. Anyways, the Faluda has come now, so I'll show you. Is it still the same, Mama?
Yes, it is the same.
And childhood memories are back.
Nostalgia takes me back to the year 1997.
You also have tried this before?
Yeah,
Oh.
where I met Blossom.
Oh yeah, Mama and
Right,
Dada
for the
met
first
for the
time.
first time, not in that park. I'll show you guys where they met. They met here at this Bandra station, the red bricks. That's where they had first met. But the second time when they met, like they are.
Second time, we went from.
Oh, okay. They went from here to the park. So this was where they met first, not exactly at the park. So it was the same day, but yeah. Okay, so right out of the station, there's this empty bogie, and we had many speculations. Mama is saying that it's for monumental purposes, but Dad, me and Beyonce are like, I think it is abandoned. So if you guys know, please let me know. This is right out of the station.
There's a track under it.
Oh, there is a track, but we don't know now what the reason is.
Maybe this was an old train station, and then because they moved it that side, they've
Kept it here?
one here like a memory for the old station.
Maybe. Who knows? Now we have got our train tickets and we are going towards which side? I don't know.
Churchgate.
Okay, Churchgate side, and we're going to go shopping. This station literally reminds us of Jab We Met, where she goes and takes water from this kind of a store, and then she's running for the train. It's like we're in a movie right now. It is actually pretty pleasant up here with the fan and all.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
We have reached our station. This is the last station of Bombay, right? And now we're walking outside. We are going to take a cab and we're going to go to our next destination. Also, you guys, this wasn't as dirty as I expected it to be. It's pretty clean. So I was actually surprised by that. And the train ride, I was interrupted. Oh my god, there's a train coming. Okay. We are buying a concealer palette
an OTP.
online now because just now we entered 2 beauty stores in the market and they're giving us only 18% discount, but Nykaa, the store that we wanted from, online they're giving it for
14th
less.
January it is coming, just see.
14 Jan?
14 June.
Oh my gosh, we'll not be here. Okay,
14 June.
we're
Friday
good
it is
then.
coming.
We'll get it from online.
Cash on delivery.
So now we've reached the market and I hope we get what we want. It is crowded, as you can hear. There are like bikes coming out of nowhere and everything. This is the exact street. If you watched my previous vlog, we were stuck in the car. This is where we were stuck and now there's absolutely no cars. It's just people over here. So I'm liking this shade a lot.
Yeah, you always go for
Orange, always.
And then I like this green. This green looks very rich. And this, I'm a little confused about this blue. One of these.
The blues. I like the lighter blue actually. When you're pointing and I'm looking through the camera, it looks like you're pointing at the orange.
Then the blue now, what is happening? It might turn yellow.
True.
So then I don't think that's a good idea. So this blue will look nice.
Yeah.
I like the pink.
The pink one is nice.
I like how thick this is.
The mint one is okay.
This is thick.
ये दोनों मटेरियल में फर्क है ना?
It's all the same.
अलग लग रहा है मुझे।
कलर अलग है, उसके कलर से अलग है, दोनों का बनावट अलग अलग है।
तो ये वॉश करने के बाद श्रिंक नहीं होएगा ना?
This is soft.
कम नहीं करोगे?
This is all the same material, Rion.
No, but see that other khaki one.
That's the thickest.
thicker.
Oh, okay.
मार्केट में किधर फर्क पड़ेगा।
The colors look so different on camera. It's way more pink in real.
दुकान मान सामान को
Which else do we like? Oh yeah, this one. Yeah.
This maybe.
Maybe. We don't know. It's a whole mess, you guys. But we're having fun.
Yeah.
इसमें लाइट
लाइक्रा भी हाँ स्पैंडेक्स मटेरियल जैसा है।
This is
गरम बहुत लगेगा यार
इसमें
इसमें।
गर्म होएगा ना, आप खुद एक शर्ट सिलाओ, गर्म अगर होएगा ना, वापस से सिला के साथ पैसा दूंगा आपको।
कुछ भी।
he's telling us that if we make a shirt in this and we sweat after that, we can come and give back the material to him and he'll pay us for the shirt.
ऐसे में गिर लगेगा। देखो ठंडी का क्लाइमेट है ना, इसमें तो गर्म होना है। ये पॉपकॉर्न बोलोगे ना, पॉपकॉर्न।
लेकिन ये धोने के बाद एक्सपैंड नहीं होएगा ना?
भाई दीदी यार ऐसे कपड़ा ही नहीं दूंगा आपको, क्योंकि हमारा इतना बड़ा स्टोर है दीदी, मंगलदर में हमारा धनलक्ष्मी में नाम है।
Wait, Dad is going upstairs for linen now. Mama, look, there's that one as well.
This one is okay.
I'm not a big fan.
It's soft though. It's very soft.
It's all the materials are very good because they're all
ये
cotton.
भी कॉटन है,
This one is very
लेकिन
pretty.
मिक्स लग रहा है मुझे।
100% लागत किसी के आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा।
So as you guys saw, we looked at so many fabrics. It is always super fun to do all of this, and we found really good like colors. This we were not getting anywhere else. We came to this market specifically, and as we entered the first shop, we saw and we found our fabrics. So we're gonna wrap up soon. We have about 5 to 6 fabrics. I'll show you guys when we reach home.
Dad has also gone upstairs.
Oh, Dada has gone though.
Oh, okay.
Dada went upstairs for linen. I don't think Dada found anything. So I think that's a wrap on this.
We'll go there.
We go stand up.
We have stopped for a short break now and they're eating the sandwich. It looks good actually. We are sitting next to the street side cafe and right next to us there's a guns and ammunition store. We didn't even notice. Beyonce is like, do they sell guns here? So we were laughing about it. all the materials that we bought, and I am going to stitch loads of shirts with this. So I already have this shirt, ready-made shirt from UAE, and I really liked it, but I can't find this anywhere else, so I thought I'll buy material this time and make shirts out of this. So it's a full sleeve shirt, and only this one I'm gonna make in like short sleeve in this kind, and the rest they are all going to be full sleeve cotton shirts, and I am so excited. Hopefully now the tailor gives it to us quickly, because next week we're leaving back to Dubai. So let's see, I'm going to the tailor now. First, I went to a tailor that was near our house, and this guy flat out said that no, I cannot stitch these shirts for you. But I have been going to him for I think 2 years in a row now, and he has stitched before, so I had no idea what that was about. Maybe he was just busy. But we found another tailor. He said that he will stitch all our shirts for us because we have so much of material and we don't know any other tailor. So I was so nervous that all this material we just have to leave it back in India. But thankfully, this tailor made it for us. We are looking at a pure silk sari right now. It's my grandma's. Look at what? Yeah, the colors are perfect. And it's torn, you guys. How sad.
That's what happens to silk.
So right now my Nana, my grandma, she's literally cutting one of her saris so that I can use it on my bag because I wanted silk. The bag that I showed you guys in the hall. And Mama's feeling bad about it, but the sari already has holes, okay, so we can't wear it. Cut it. It's so pretty and it's done. At least we'll have, like, we're using it in some way or the other.
You'll have to stitch the edging out.
I don't know how to stitch though, Mama. Our final day in Bombay, and we have come out to shop. In the morning we went out to church, that's why I did not record much, and I think the last clip that you guys saw was me buying material and after that I didn't record anything because we were doing another video where I was testing all the different kinds of Bombay foods. That's why I did not record all of that. That's going to be in a separate video. I think you guys will see that after this or before this, I'm not sure yet. And right now we've come back to Zudio. Like I mentioned in my haul, we wanted to buy a few more things like nail polishes and lipsticks and all, like same thing but one more of each. Yeah. And the weather, you guys, the previous day before we could leave, it started pouring since night time, and monsoon is about to actually start, and that's when we are going back. And now we are going back to another hot climate. At least it's arid. Over there humidity is less, it's like in 35% or 40% maximum. Here it's like 80%. So we are sweating still, as you can see from my face. But it's been nice. We are enjoying the rains. And I'm glad it didn't rain when we were out today because it would have been hectic. So yeah, let's go in now. Beyonce and Mama are waiting for me. As soon as we entered, I saw this dress and I'm gonna try this on first. We're back to the lipstick section. As you can see, we have tried 3. That pink one is too bright, Mama.
No, we are not taking that.
Okay.
I was just testing. You like that shade?
And I also took these pants. I love linen trousers, so I've taken one of these. And I also like the dress. I tried it on just now. You should try it out because so far what we have tried is good.
This eyeshadow is really pretty. This consistency.
Which one?
It's an ugly color.
See the.
Okay, look at the line. It's a
I
pretty
like the
thin
applicator.
stroke, yeah.
Ooh, this is darker than the one I have right now.
An ugly shade. It's too light. Oh my gosh, there's an
try
orange
this.
lip gloss. Which one?
This,
Clear.
it's
your
clear
favorite?
but glittery.
Ooh, it's pretty.
I like this.
Take one of those. This looks bad.
Yeah.
It's not a nice
This
color.
is cute.
Which one?
This one. This.
I like the purples also.
This is what I've taken so far. There's a purplish shade. Show.
It's dried out.
But these are testers, that's why. And I'm also taking this one because it looks like lip gloss and it's holographic. No, Beyonce, what's called?
It's kind of cute.
Is it holographic or?
It's just glitter.
No, what is that called? Holographic. I always call it something else. What is that?
No, no.
I'm not a big fan of these blue shades.
Okay, no. Show me the green.
Yeah, I love this green one. It looks like a leaf.
It looks nice.
Yeah.
Cool vibe.
What happened? Oh. If Are you done? So even Dada found shirts. Now this Zudio has clothes even for men and women, so it's a really nice store. His hands look like a kindergartner's.
Yes.
She just called one nail polish, the orange one on a Twinkie, kindergartner's nail polish.
This looks like something a 5-year-old would want to wear.
Your hand looks like a 5-year-old.
Wow.
We just finished inside Zudio and I got such a pretty dress, you guys. I'm very happy. Last time this dress wasn't there. I think they already had new stock or something. So currently we're in the rickshaw and now we're going to go for our final shopping. Like food items that we want, like chips and snacks and things. The roads are crazy over here, as you can tell. So that's where we're off to next. And it was raining as we were trying to get a rickshaw, so it was fun. We got a little wet. I haven't got wet in the rain this time, sadly, because there was not enough rain. So yeah, hopefully it rains a little more before we leave so we can enjoy it. Shopping for the day. Did you enjoy?
It was tiring.
Yeah, you can see it on our faces. We are tired and now we have to go home and pack and everything. We got a lot of exciting things for Beyonce.
Yes.
We'll share all of that later on. Once we go back to UAE, I'll share what is happening in Beyonce's life. As soon as we sat inside the taxi, like maybe 1 minute later, it started pouring. As you can see, we were so lucky. We were waiting under the trees this whole time. It's so pretty. As you can see, we're tired.
Leaves are only so much.
But it's fun. It's raining so heavily. But it also stopped. That was like for 2 minutes.
It's still drizzling.
It's drizzling, but it's not like pouring. The drops are still big, even though it's drizzling.
The sound of rain is so
I know, right? Like it's so satisfying. We're almost reached home.
It actually sounded like, when it was coming in. And then I thought, what is this?
No, I saw the water first, so I was like, yeah, that's rain for sure. Come out again and we are going to eat pani puri and bhel puri and all of the the puri puris for one last time before our holiday ends. And we still have a few things to buy on the street side, so we've stopped at one shop right now. That's the update for now, right? Yeah, that's the update for now. We did stop at sorry, we did stop at one of the pani puri stalls that we have not tried before. And it was okay, it wasn't the best, so we're going to our usual spot now. You guys, there's mushrooms growing on the tree, the white stuff that you can see. So weird. They come to our own spot like every year when we used to come to eat pani puri and all, and we were surprised because this whole place is turned into like a restaurant or something. It's like AC and everything, because before, like until last year when we came in October, there was no AC or anything. So the whole vibe of this place has changed and the food is always so good. So we're going to enjoy now. I'll see you guys back. Bye.
Happy journey.
Thank you.
God bless you all.
Thank you, Nana. So it is our official time to leave. It is currently, okay, this is on UAE time. I don't know what time it is right now. Basically, we have to reach the airport by around 11:45 so that we make it on time, like 3 hours before, So yeah, it was kind of sad, like seeing our grandparents cry and like leave them. But now we're waiting for the driver to come. The taxi is already here, but he's gone somewhere. I don't know what happened with that. And yeah, we're almost done with our packing. Right now there'll be a little chaos because all the rain and stuff. So I'll catch you guys in the airport. Currently we're having problems with putting all our luggage inside the, what you call this, vehicle, yeah, because it's bucket seats and it was supposed to be a 3-seater in like the middle row, but we didn't expect that, so hopefully it's all fine. So we were successful in packing up the car finally. It took a little bit of pushing and pulling, but as you can see that bag is literally tilted at the back, but we're ready to go. Airport, but guess what? We reached like 45 minutes earlier. Check-in only opens at 1 o'clock, but because of the rain and the traffic, Bombay traffic, you know how it is, we decided to leave home earlier because we didn't want to get stuck there and miss our flight or anything. And you need to be in the airport 3 hours earlier. We came 4 hours earlier, but that's totally okay. So we're sitting outside the international airport check-in area right now, and by 1 o'clock our check-in will also open, so we have a little time to chit chat and all. Flight now, and we've been waiting for like 10 minutes, and this is our progress.
We are doing the nerdiest thing possible on a
Yeah,
plane.
but it's so fun.
It
Like,
is
it's satisfying.
so fun. Oh my god, everyone should try this.
Yes, please. But you need a partner to like
Yeah,
crack jokes
true.
with. Otherwise, it's just boring.
No, I would gladly do this alone.
You like to be alone. That's why I hate being alone. I can't be alone. Can't be alone. Can't be
Can't be
alone. I don't know. I'm very excited to go back home. Basically.
I swear, oh my god.
So I'll see you back in Dubai. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, here's the progress. We're about to take off right now. Do you want to say anything more?
No.
Okay, bye.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me
We
wings.
have officially landed in Dubai airport and it feels so good to be back home. The air itself smells so different and it's so calm. Nothing like Bombay. Now we get to relax. Our ears will get some rest from all of the honking and everything. And the roads are going to be extremely smooth. So we are not that tired. Are you tired, Beyonce? She's recording me right now. Okay.
Immensely.
She is immensely tired, as you just heard. I am excited to be back, but I know as soon as I'm going to go home and hit the bed, I'm going to fall asleep. So that was it for our trip. I will record once we go back home. And that's a wrap on our India holiday. We had so much fun. The street food and the shopping, like you guys saw, we did a lot of that. But once we came back home, it was difficult for us to adjust to the temperature difference. So we were all sick during that whole week and we're still trying to recover. So I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye, you guys.